guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cartoon animation only using Canva. Okay, let's get into it, guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first thing first, we need to go to the Canva apps. Go to this apps right here, and then you're going to search for the character builder. Oops. This one, guys, character builder. You're going to open up this apps. Okay, I'm just going to click on the application or the feature, and then we can choose the type of the head, base, body, skin tone, and also hair color. And for the head, I'm going to select this one, and for the base, I'm gonna go with this one, and for the body, wait, I'm going to click on see all, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to change the hair color. I'm going to select this one, and for the skin tone, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on done, and I'm going to place this character right here. And if you want to add animation to the character, you can select animate, and I'm just going to select create animation so I can create custom animation for my character. Okay, just like this. Okay, and as you can see that the character has been animated. Okay, and that's how we can create cartoon animation only using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.